What's going on with Binance? Friends, in this video I would like to share with you thoughts and ideas what's going on with Binance, why a lot of regulators try to ban it, and what's going on. Let's start. Before I ask you to push like, to subscribe and turn the bell, because that's the best thank you from your side to our project. And also YouTube does not like to share a lot of crypto content. When you do it, you help us, and I thank you for that. Let's start. At this moment, take a look. Italy joined FCA, joined Visa, MasterCard, China banned Binance. And what's the reason behind that? Should we move our money away? By the way, a lot of people, when they ask me what's going on with Binance, they ask the same question. What about Binance? Will Binance be closed? Should I withdraw all my money? What to do? First, before, I would like to share with you an idea that you would understand where money goes. Because remember, friends, in most cases, all this stuff, it does not happen without a reason. Crypto market, it is a huge, at this moment, it is, by the way, it's a quite big market. And I think you would agree with me that a lot of companies compete in that market. Take a look. It is FTX. It is crypto exchange from Hong Kong. They measure volume on exchanges. And my friends, Binance, the first. Take a look. Spot volume, Binance market share is 40%. Derivatives, it is futures margin trading, it is Binance market share, it is 61%. That's the reason why a lot of regulators pay attention to Binance. But I think they would pay attention to an industry as a whole, because, for example, like Bybit. Bybit also unregulated exchange and in offshore, and there is no such secure, and they are not better than Binance, but there, like as you can see, there are problems with that. I think most of this exchange, except CME, like Chicago Mercantility Exchange, it is official exchange in the United States. All of them, only like Coinbase Pro, it's different because they regulated, but most of them unregulated normally, and they have derivatives, futures, and there would be problems with that, because a few weeks ago or month ago, FCA banned all exchanges. They forbid to use derivatives on crypto. It's a CFD and other stuff, because a lot of people lost money because of that. Most of you, I think, have the most important question. Okay, Yuri, what should we do? Because it's a serious problem. What I recommend you to do first, if you have money on Binance, if there would be no sanctions, for example, US would say, okay, we put sanctions on Binance and everyone who cooperates with Binance will be banned. In that case, that would be a problem, especially if you have fiat money. I think those people that use crypto, it's what they can do. They cannot take your Bitcoins, they cannot take your Ethereums, because it belongs to you only. And they also won't be able to do it with Binance. Only maybe if the special forces would make assault into Binance headquarters. But do they have headquarters? That's the most important question. And they would take physically the hardware where they keep a store physical Bitcoins and physical crypto. In other cases, it's nearly impossible to take it. About fiat money, yes, there may be a problem, because they just can ban deposit and withdraw from as a fiat money. That's a really big problem. In my country, it is not a big problem, because you can find there are a lot of people in my city. You can go to them, send Bitcoins, they will give you cash. That's why, from my country, there is not such a big problem. From your perspective, what I would recommend you to do, but my friend, remember that I recommend, it's your money, your responsibility. I recommend you to also have at least 2 accounts on different exchange. Like if you trade on Binance on futures, it's awesome to trade futures on Binance. But for example, I have my money and two third parts I keep on spot trading, and only third part I keep for futures. And at this moment, what I would do, that third part, I would keep on Binance, because like for futures, it's the best platform maybe in the world for futures trading. For spot, you can use any other exchange that really good and that regulated, that trustworthy. You can use another one. That's it. That's why I would recommend you, if you scare, to sleep calmly. What you can do, for example, you can divide your capital by next part. For example, it would be 1/3 part you use for futures trading, 2/3 parts you use for like 2/3 parts you use for spot. 1, 2, 3. And these parts you just for example, you can move to other exchanges like Coinbase, FTX, and other one. Pay your attention, do your own research, as it said. In other case, my friends, remember that it's everything about money, because Binance biggest market share. That's why they do it against them. I think if other crypto exchanges, if you take a look on your crypto exchange, it's also work in offshore authorities. There may be the same problem with your exchange. That's it. Because if that exchange become big, they also can be some penalties from regulators. That's it. Friends, if this data is useful for you right now, I ask you again to push like and take a look. Here is our free Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe, because you will get such updates on daily basis about useful data and what to do. That's why be in our Telegram channel, read good updates, and on this YouTube channel you'll find a lot of useful lessons. Thank you.